Okay, so this isn't not really an extension cord so much as it is a power distribution system. I made this up for a friend of mine to use with a generator and a power outage. It's basically the 30 amp cord. This system should match pretty much most general portable generators that people have, ranging in 45 to 6500 watts. Comes with a carrying handle. .30 amp cord plug. Has 6 outlets. Each one individually has its own breakers. The main breaker basically is a disconnect for this panel, and hopefully it'll cut out before the breaker on the generator does. This one is sized for the breaker that is on my friend's generator. The other thing I had to do was custom cut the covers so that they would fit and keep the boxes snug against the cabinet. We have notifications about the ratings for the outlets, an indicator that shows that the generator is in fact running and the breaker on the generator is engaged. Each outlet is a GFI. Now, when using this on a portable generator, to properly ground the system, you must have a ground rod for the generator. The other option I added was, in case it was dark when the power went out, as soon as you plug this in and engage the breakers in the panel here, these two top outlets have night lights on them, so you can find your way back into the house carrying the panel. The indicator light for generator power is a simple 80 to 250 volt outlet power tester, $6 from Menards. The other thing I chose to do, which I do with all my heavy power cords, besides having a cord gland or cord grip, I also use the actual built-in strain relief in the cord. If you'll notice the jute cables or jute support cables that run through the entire length of the cord, I like to lug those down to add extra pull-out strength. The generator power comes in, feeds into the bottom of the main disconnect breaker, which supplies the bus for the rest of the breakers. Now, this system not only will work for a portable generator, but this could also be used at a job site for a reno or a remodel where either you don't trust the electric that's in the house, or you want to turn off all the outlets in the house in case you saw through something, or if there's no power at the house. If there is power to a main panel in the house, You can pigtail in an outlet for this cord, and then place this panel in the area of the house that you want to work in. All these outlets would be suitable for intermittent use of hand tools, saws, sanders, and such. Outlets 1 and 2 on a job site would be recommended for use for something more continuous use, heavy load, something along the lines of a floor sander or something in those lines. Other than that, that's all she wrote.